guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a Chick-Fil-A mukbang. We just got the food.
Why?
But he's ratchet.
He was a dick. I was like, is that it? And he was like, yep, you're all set. Have a good day. Okay, f you.
This is how the beginning of the vlog will start.
Wait.
I know, I'm just so good.
Let me have my food.
Okay. Fries.
Marisha! I didn't get fries.
It's a number 3 dump.
Oh.
Napkins?
In the cup holder, there was a cube. Oh my god. So yeah.
This is why I didn't want to do this in my
Look,
car.
go fall again.
This is why I didn't want to do this in my car.
You're fine.
I'm so fucking pissed off. Not funny.
So your fault you had a cube in there. So Ava has been a vegan for 2 years, vegetarian for 2 years. She finally broke it. I got waffle fries.
I'm having trouble with this.
What'd you get? Chicken strips.
I really am pissed. Look, I'm on
I think
Coke.
Anton has more right to this.
You're fucking pissed?
Yes, ma'am. I'm literally stained Coke. I don't have Coke.
My cup holder.
This is like.
How come we
Good.
didn't? Then can we at least go to McDonald's? I'll buy myself a large Coke. It's $1 and it's a large.
No,
need water.
you're running in there and you're grabbing more napkins to fucking clean this.
There's f***ing napkins in here, dumb.
One napkin?
Okay, I'm not going in with my pants literally stained. Will you give me money for a Coke?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bro,
You
bitch.
lucky. How would you rate the food right now?
10 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Bro, this is the best thing you've ever had, you're saying? 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
If you don't have Chick-Fil-A where you live,
Do I chew?
that f***ing sucks.
Do I chew loud?
Not that many people watch your videos.
This is probably gonna get only 100 views. I'm not even kidding.
Oh my god, I saw flashing lights and I was like, is it the cops?
I thought we were.
That guy's still next to us.
He's low-key cute.
Fuck.
Chicken!
Fucking
You can
Christ.
find.
I thought mukbangs were like, you know, like just eating, not fucking screaming.
You'll be a dead son of a bitch.
I'm a when a bitch spills everything in my fucking car.
Yeah, we don't have a cube in your f***ing cup holder.
Okay, I'm sorry. Where would you like me to plug it in? Where the f else would you like me to put it?
You want this for your house? So if you ever want it?
Huh?
Okay.
Why do
okay.
people like the sauces here?
It's phenomenal.
Which one do you got?
Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A.
sauce?
Can I try it?
No, it's like a party in my mouth.
Oh, no, just a little bit. This.
Sip of some. Okay, well, will you give me the money to go get it?
Take what you need out of here. Take a couple bucks.
I don't know how much it is.
Okay, take a 5.
Do I just leave my phone in here?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not. This is so.
Shut the up. Just say you spilled shit. Hold on. No, bring the bag over
Your
to it.
keys!
That's fine. Put it back down. No,
Stop, Anton. It's not.
such a.
A few moments later.
Go run and get.
Stop! Your fucking
No. Okay,
keys!
put it back in there. Go get napkins.
Goodbye.
Holy oh my god.
She is pretty
Such a
double
fucking lab rat. This part of the fucking mukbang is dedicated to talking shit about Marissa.
blonde joke.
She's not even fucking blonde. She's worse than a blonde.
Like,
Attention span of a fucking fly. Sometimes I feel like there's like crack in it because like it's so good.
it's not that good.
Yeah, it is. Oh, honestly, I didn't even know it was back there.
Alright. I'm gonna put that right here.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
It's
No.
fine.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Hold it
Holy
right
fuck, you guys are
me
weird.
hold
Look, can you take the keys out?
No, just no, don't, no.
I'm
It's
doing.
come in the
Are they
woods.
gonna work?
No.
Oh.
How do you drink this every day? This is absolutely.
Marissa.
Stop. Let
Can
me
you-
do my thing.
Ah! Who wants the rest of these?
The basics.
Shut
Okay.
up.
Hi.
What?
You want them?
No.
Last time I ever do a mukbang.
Gang,
Did you
gang,
throw out the
gang.
bag?
Yes.
You
that was the
idiot.
garbage.
Thanks a lot, you idiot.
You idiot.
It had the pizza. Go in the
improvise.
neighborhoods. Go in the neighborhoods. Okay.
Improvise.
Put that anywhere.
Will you-
Really, it's no
Will you
biggie.
put it? Will you drive in the neighborhoods? Can I put these napkins in here? So you have napkins?
Mm-mm.
You don't want napkins in your car?
Mm-mm.
What if you ever need them?
In case you come back.
What? Is there anywhere else? Besides my pants? Okay, that was the dumbest video of my whole entire life. Love you all. Peace out. My Instagram is Marissa Regatta. What's your Instagram?
Don't follow her.
What's your Instagram? Ava Bore. His is
Nicki
Anti-Blashak.
Minaj.
Okay, bye.